Rider Japan, welcome. After about 4 years running this channel, only ever making videos about motorcycles, bang, bringing my car into the mix. New car, it's just an old Honda, it's no biggie. But this is the cheapest one of those in Japan. And it's totally drivable, it's fine, but there's a few little issues. One such issue is it stinks. The rear, the carpet in the back was all wet. What it is, I read on the forums, other people have the same experience. Water gets in behind the gaskets, behind the rear lights, and it just gets damp down in the rain. And after you wash it and stuff, it just gets a little bit wet and it never dries out. So this had that issue. It stank. It really stank in there. So took all the carpet out. I've had that drying. This actually feels dry. That was the worst of it. It actually feels quite dry now. I'm waiting for a really hot day. It's not quite really hot, sunny today, but it's not really hot. So I'm waiting for a proper hot day, and then I'm going to properly wash it with like car shampoo, and then scrub it, and I'll dry it out in the sun, and then I'll get some proper carpet cleaner, just get it clean basically, and hopefully stop it smelling. This is under the carpet as well. The tools click in. This I just found out today. It's actually still a bit damp and horrible. So I'm going to put that there to help that dry out. And all the tools that are in there, where they're just constantly in like damp conditions, aluminium, but there's steel bits attached to it. There's washers and the hinges and stuff. They're all rusty and horrible. So I'm gonna see if I can at least clean these tools up today, just to do something and get started with it.